All right, so this is the first target question in the week for Math Counts handout, and it says, the figure right there shows circle O, it has a diameter of AB, and then there's an inscribed angle of ABC with AB equals 8 and then BC equals 4 root 2. So we're looking for the area of the shaded region in square units, and then it'll be of some form A plus B pi. So the first thing that we know is that AB is the diameter, okay? And then AB equals 8. So what we can do is we can say if AB equals 8, that's the diameter, the radius of the circle is going to be 4. And so we know that we can make a sector right here with sides AO and OC, and this right here, that's one segment of our shaded area. That's one part that we have to find. So it's going to be the area of the sector right there that I just described, plus the area of the triangle comprised by points C, O, and B. So another nice thing is that this is 4, that's 4. Both sides of the triangle are 4, but what is this angle right here? Well, another piece of information they give us is that BC is equal to 4 root 2. And this reminds us of something. We know that there's a type of special right triangle in which both of the legs are the same, they're both x, and the hypotenuse is x root 2. And that's exactly what's going on in our triangle right here. The legs are 4 and 4, and then the hypotenuse is 4 root 2. So this triangle right here must be a right triangle, and that angle opposite the hypotenuse must be a right angle. So the area of the triangle is just 1/2 base times height, and in this case, we know that that's 1/2 4 times 4, because our base and height are just here and there. That's 4 and 4, and so that's the area of our triangle. Now, what about the area of our sector? Well, we know that if this diameter cuts the entire triangle in half, and this diameter is a straight line, and this angle is 90, well, that means that this angle right here must also be 90. So that means that this sector is going to be 1/4 of the circle's area. And again, the reason we know that is because, well, if the area of a circle is, I'll do this in a different color, pi r squared, the area of the sector is just whatever fraction of the circle that is. So in this case, it's going to be 90 degrees out of 360 degrees, because that's how many circle angles are in the entire circle. So it's 1/4 the area of the circle. So we know that r is equal to 4. So pi 4 squared times 1/4 is the area of our sector. So pi times 4 squared is 16 pi over 4 is 4 pi. And then we're adding 1/2 times 4, which is 8. So the area of the entire shaded region is just 8 plus 4 pi. And so that means A is 8 and B is 4. And so it's asking for AB, or A times B. So this ends up being 8 times 4, which is equal to 32. And that is our final answer.